What's up, YouTube? Ran into a problem. This my problem. 2014 GMC Acadia. The air had problem with turning on, like the blower, the front blower, but the rear blower came on. Okay, I jumped to the conclusion that I can reset it maybe by taking the battery post out, which I took the hot. I should have took the... So after I take the battery cable out for a minute and put it back on, I'm sure I took it out for at least 5-10 minutes. And do what I got. Now all they do is turns over. I'm stuck because I never have a vehicle that you actually take off a battery cable and then it does that. So I'm on the hill, it have gas, and you can hear the fuel pump come on. GM, y'all got me on this, on beat. I actually don't know the deal on this time. So come on, gearheads, let me know something.